What's up, family? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. Y'all remember a couple of videos ago when I said this? I do want to get my hands on the lavender purplish one. So get this video up to 15 likes and I'll purchase the purple one and we'll compare all the colorways in an in-depth review, finding out which one tops the Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodie colorless. But right now, I'm going with the blue, guys. I would love to hear in the comment section below y'all favorite color. Yes, y'all did that for me, man. And I'm so appreciative. So, how can I disappoint? Hit the B-roll. Here's the review of the Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodie in a purple colorway. My last Yeezy Perfect Hoodie video, the black one, it was a lot of speculation and things going on with that black colorway restock. Most people didn't get the size they ordered. Some people got kid sizes, youth sizes. It's been crazy. Mine came the way I ordered it, so I'm blessed with that. I guess my lunch came. But I feel sorry for whoever had an issue with that restock. But the good news is, Go and StockX do have these hoodies for maybe a little over the retail. I'm talking $12, $13. So if you really want to get your hands on a Yeezy Gap hoodie, look at StockX or Go. It's only like $10, $12 over the retail price. But this here is the purple colorway. And off my eye, as soon as I unboxed it, it doesn't look that purple to me. It was in the pictures on the Gap website and even StockX or Go. This colorway looked more of the Laker purple. In hand is more of a maroon, darkish purple. So if you're looking for like a vibrant purple or that Laker purple, it's a soft purple, this won't be the hoodie for you. This is more in the burgundy family. It does like have shades of Barney. You know Barney, the kids. I guess it just depends on the lighting. But this colorway here is like tough to read. See here, this is the red colorway. There's no question that this is red. It's not burgundy, it's red. The blue one I have on, we know this is blue. It doesn't look purplish, it doesn't look black. But with this purple colorway, it has questions. It's a questionable color here. And it wouldn't be questionable if it wasn't Yeezy. That's just what he does. Another thing with the Yeezy Gap Perfect Hoodie, some are coming with the tag that has the size, and some aren't. There go your Yeezy Gap logo there. The only branding on the whole hoodie. It does have that same material, same thickness, same heaviness of the other ones. And I did the Yeezy round jacket review. You go check that out in the archives. And I found this same tag here. The only difference is this tag you know, the wash machine tag, doesn't say Yeezy Gap on it. The round hoodie jacket one said Yeezy Gap on it. I guess it is sort of a purple more than I'm looking at it. It's just a funny purple. It's like a, I want to say like a grape that's not ripe yet, right? Like, it is purple, guys, but depending on the light, man, it can look burgundy. My favorite colorway is still this blue. This blue is so soft. The red would be second. This would actually up jump the black because black is just black. And I told y'all in my review of the black hoodie that it looked like ashy in certain spots of the hoodie. So that's why I would put this over the black one. I just wish it was more of a Laker purple, but it is still a perfect Gap hoodie. Same thickness. This one here is a medium. This one I also have on is a medium. Again, I'm 5'7", 170 pounds, and the medium fits perfect, guys. Perfect. Like, I don't find myself pulling nothing up or pulling nothing down. The hoodie goes wherever I want to take it. That's what makes this the perfect hoodie. So again, I'm 5'7", 170 pounds. This is a medium I have on. These are both medium, and they fit perfect, man. So if you my build, my size, I say go with a medium. But if you my build and my size and you used to going large, then stay large. I believe these hoodies are true to size. That's what make them perfect hoodies. I wonder if we blend these together, will we get the purple that I'm looking for? I forgot in art class which colors make which colors. But yeah, that's the review of the Yeezy Gap perfect hoodie in the purple colorway, I guess. Hit subscribe, like button, you know, all that stuff the YouTubers say on here, man. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for getting me to that 15 likes. I think actually we doubled that. We had 30 likes. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. And I'm always going to deliver, guys. Always, man. I started this channel to give knowledge, to help people out. And that's what I'm going to do, man. Please hit the like button so I can continue to do what I do. Purple colorway, man. I don't think it's that purple, guys. That's just my opinion. But it is a nice colorway. And unlike the black, you don't see fading or shades of grayish or white in it. So I like that. It's definitely vibrant, but it's just not the purple I was looking for. Let me know in the comment section below y'all favorite colorway. I would really like to know y'all favorite colorway. And if I didn't review it, I'm going to get it and we going to review it. Everybody, get rich.